Hi everybody. So I'm starting this vlog midweek. I've been to Boston for a couple of days now and I'm helping Stuart at a trade show today, an adventure trade show, and I'm just sat in the car while he's gone in to try and find someone to let us in because we're a bit early. But I don't know if you've seen on the news, but there's a horrendous snowstorm going on at the moment. You can probably see outside. It doesn't look like there's many people here, so I don't know if it's even on. But I shall vlog or video stuff as much as I can and let you guys know what we're up to. But it's exciting. Yeah, we've been here. I've been here since Friday, taking some pictures, lovely pictures in a town called Salem, and it's been all very good. Then I leave on Friday and then back on the water next week, so nice chill out week, but sort of working, taking pictures, taking video, always working basically. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. So we've set up, ready for Stuart's adventure fair.
Filming the film.
Filming the film. I just want to go outside and show you how bad the storm is outside. It's definitely snowing, that's for sure. So the reason why we're here is that my friend Stuart is starting a company in the US called Adventure Activities USA, and he's here, one of his first trade shows, and I'm coming here to help him. But hopefully people turn up because the weather ain't great. Like one of the worst storms Boston is having this season. So hopefully people turn up and help and see him. So the trade show's just started and Stuart's just talking to a few people. But the funny thing is, I mean, it looks very light in here, but all the power's out because of the snow blizzard outside. So TV stopped working, everything's not working. Luckily the laptop is working because of the batteries, but that's about it. Lifts aren't working, escalators aren't working, so it's quite funny really. But outside is horrendous. We've got another hour here or so, and then I think we're gonna try and get back to Quincy in Boston, near Boston, and God knows how we're gonna get back. But luckily Stuart's Ford F-150 four-wheel drive thing should be fine. So we shall see. The adventure continues.
It's scheduled for 3. But,
We're just leaving the. Are we gonna make it, Stuart?
No.
Look at this. We've got to go all the way to Quincy. How far do you think?
left.
How far? Far enough.
An hour.
An hour's drive on normal conditions, but it is blizzard central. So, and I think the gritters have actually stopped gritting the roads almost because they've given up till tomorrow. Looks like. But thank God, Stuart has a badass truck, F-150, so we might be able to make it. I'll keep you informed. It's actually hard to see where the road is. Have a look. Let's see if you can figure it out, Stuart.
Hopefully I do, because I now have an audience of a state trooper.
Yeah.
Police car.
And all of my 8 subscribers. Where's the road? Oh my God! So we've just stopped for a little break. Still really bad outside. Let's try and get out into the thing. Get my wallet.